Hello, in front of me I've got Audi SQ5. In this video I'll show you all safety features installed in this car. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's doors. Right here we can find child lock for windows and side rearview mirrors heating, thanks to which you can prevent fogging and frosting of the side rearview mirrors. Car is also equipped with bad weather lights and auto lights and fog lights. The car has multiple safety systems like lane assistant, AEB, ACC and more. We'll talk about it later. Here you can enable adaptive cruise control and adjust it. Car is equipped with navigation on the instrument cluster, so you don't have to look at the screen. Also in instrument cluster you can find oil temperature and coolant temperature of your car, with many more indicators like energy consumers and driver assist menu. Now take a look in the center of the car. Car has electric parking brake, automatic gearbox and interior shift panel, thanks to which you can quickly navigate through screen display. Right here you can enable hill descent control, 360 camera view, traction control and start-stop function. Next, you can change drive mode between off-road, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. In the end, let's go to menu and next go to car. Here, in driver assist, you can manage speed warning, parking aid, head-up display, adaptive cruise control, distance warning, traffic jam assist, efficiency assist, AUDI presence, side assist, active lane assist, rain sensor. Next, in vehicle settings, you can adjust seats, exterior lighting, central locking and garage door opener. You can quickly check servicings and checks, like oil level, service intervals, car info. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.